The Cocheros is a set of street food carts that are the sensation today in various parts of Colombia. Their theme is cowboys, and they try to replicate the concept of a fast food restaurant with their own Happy Meal and combos of all kinds. One of their specialties is the Chorizo Kebab. The Chorizo Kebab is a rare kind of kebab with vegetables, pork sausage, bacon and pork ham. Definitely, one of the delightful street foods Colombia has to offer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food features.
Sí, señor.